Alright, okay, so this is a little lesson on adding and subtracting polynomials. It's a very mini lesson because the biggest thing is being able to combine like terms and to add and subtract numbers, really. So it's very basic. The biggest thing here is we recognize that there are two sets of parentheses, right? So there's this set of parentheses and then this set of parentheses. So what that is representing are the two polynomials that I'm adding. I'm going to add this polynomial to this polynomial, okay? What we look for are like terms, and you'll see the way that I have denoted like terms is with different underlines or with different colors. So when I don't have different colors, I do different underlines. I don't need to rewrite this or anything when I'm adding. My like terms, so take care of specific notes here, like terms are the same variables and the same exponents. So I can add 6x cubed plus 2x cubed because those two terms have the same variables and the same exponents. So that becomes 8x cubed. Then we'll do 4x and any other x terms? No, right? There's no other x terms. So we're going to write 4x the same. In between the x cubed and the x, because I want this answer to be in standard form, right? Think about going back to lesson 1 here. I want to write my x squared term. So x squared minus 8x squared gives me a negative 7x squared. And then negative 7 plus 3 gives me negative 4. And that's it, guys. There's nothing really too much of something totally new here. We've been combining like terms. We've been doing all of these things. So it's just making sure, you know, we dot our I's and cross our T's. Subtracting, there's one difference between subtracting and adding polynomials, and it's right here. This subtraction sign, when we subtract, I need to distribute that subtraction sign to each of these terms. So notice when I rewrite this, the first polynomial doesn't change at all. 3x squared y squared plus 2xy squared plus 6x squared. Here, these signs all change. Inside the parentheses, this is a positive 2x squared y squared. I'm going to distribute that negative, that subtraction. So the positive becomes a negative 2x squared y squared. The positive becomes a negative 3xy squared. And the negative to a negative becomes a plus a positive 2x squared. Then we go through and combine like terms just like we did before. But that's the main difference. You have to remember to rewrite it after you distribute the negative. Combining like terms, you have more variables here. Everything must be the exact same thing. So this is x squared y squared. This is just xy squared. So they're not like terms. Okay, just be careful there. So thank you for taking notes on these two examples. You're going to go ahead and try to play that battleship game and practice adding and subtracting polynomials. Good luck, guys. Awesome job.